Hi students, today we are going to see class 8 NCERT exercise 2.2. First sum, if you subtract 1 by 2 from a number and multiply the result by 1 by 2, you get 1 by 8. So we have to find what is the number. So we can take the required number as x. Subtracting 1 by 2 from the number, we will write it as x minus 1 by 2. Multiply the result by 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into x minus 1 by 2, it will be 1 by 8. So here they have given. So solving for this, we will get the answer. So 1 by 2 we are writing as it is, and 2 here we are cross multiplying. So 2x minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 8. Next we are taking this 2 cross multiplying. So 2x minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 8 into 2. So when we cancel this, we will get the answer as 2x minus 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 4. Again we are cross multiplying this 2. So 2x minus 1 equal to 1 by 4 into 2. So this will become 1 by 2. So 2x equal to 1 by 2 plus 1. So that is 3 by 2. So 2x equal to 3 by 2. We are cross multiplying this. So the value of x it is 3 by 4. Second sum, the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. What is the length and breadth of the pool? So here we can take the breadth of the pool as x and length as 2x plus 2. So here they have given 2 meters more than twice its breadth. So next they have given the perimeter. So 2 into L plus B equal to 154. These are the given things. So using this we are going to solve this. So 2 for length we are replacing it with 2x plus 2. For breadth we are replacing it with x. That is equal to 154. So 2 into 2x plus x, it will become 3x plus 2 equal to 154. So multiplying 2 inside we are getting 6x plus 4 equal to 154. So 6x equal to 154 minus 4 equal to 150. So x is 25. So the breadth here it is 25 meters. Length it is, we are substituting the value of x. So 2 into 25 plus 2. So 50 plus 2. So length it is equal to 52 meters. Third sum, the base of an isosceles triangle is 4 by 3. The perimeter of the triangle it is 4 2 by 15. So what is the length of the remaining two sides? So we know that the length of the, you can take the length of the triangle as x and the perimeter as 4 2 by 15. That is 62 by 15. We know that the perimeter will be sum of all the three sides, and here they have given the base of the isosceles triangle as 4 by 3, and we have to find the other two sides. We are taking it as x. So x plus 4 by 3 equal to 62 by 15. So this will be 2x plus 4 by 3 equal to 62 by 15. So 2x equal to 62 by 15 plus 4 by 3, it will become minus 4 by 3. So when we are taking the LCM, we will get it as 15. 62 by minus 20. So 2x equal to 42 by 15. So solving for x, we will get it as 7 by 5. So this the length of the remaining equal side is 1 2 by 5 centimeter. Thank you.